watching this live show. We say Yandra Binaka and welcome to VTFM. And matag ni singa monitor. Yandra Binaka, dem sar binaka elano.
Yandra Binaka na sar kumaya na matag na ni ko. Another a new Monday.
New Monday.
Yeah.
Right, a new week.
Iyo.
New Monday, new week. 10th of November 2025 ay nato bikem niket sarawakanda ni ento bata politiko may na mataba na ni ko madha wan rende to ko ber na lubenta ngoni buli
Dina.
Bitarongi, a lot of examination coming up this week. Primary school starting today, and some starting tomorrow, and also tomorrow Form 6 FSLC examination. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Last week we start with our examination. As gang from Nasinu Gospel, that's class 1.
Primary school.
Today they will continue.
Right.
Ni ko nan rebe kabagabiti.
Oi.
Yeah, Fijians.
Wana now.
Very
Thank you.
important. That is one very important subject. Fijian. Because most students, Itoke students, they don't like this subject.
Baleta.
It's very hard. It's very difficult for them. How can it be difficult when it is our language? That is one question we need to ask ourselves. And sometimes they have options. You can take Fijian or you can just drop out of Fijian class. Sangkai Rusia tetal nga saba kabele ba murmurir na ilalawa.
Right.
Sangkai kirulokan ng Parents' Day and the teacher said this. It's very important for Itoke students to take Fijian.
It's very important.
Very important. Yes, because just imagine in the 10-15 years time. Nanonra ngoma na turang gasnibuli turangan India. Tono kaya au bebasal tengain ko. Fijian students mertarana pos mabi timbala temera marroya nanonra identity nanonra culture batang ko kini nonra
don't know that's a message to all our parents to all the parents tuning this morning. So it's very important for us to encourage our students, encourage our kids to speak in our own dialect in the Chugi Valley.
Mel na delebu west nga ni walu LM69 nodo no usorin do yan rabinaka. Benen di tombera New Zealand kati job ti kongo mbula binaka. Ay sake yan rakede Benito John Edmi.
Andra.
Ando mbula. Good morning. Thank you very much.
Ya kabibi ay benta to posta sarchu nga tanto tukur bira luenda. Se oli sarchu nga tabat kina robosta non robosa veir na ngone. Right. Mimbi bikenda. Ana matak binan ko balat kenda kiruni kala kenda mo subalangi. Mo subalangi menda rotangan apa madal taka. Taruh di pamadal tikan saya coach juga ya. Saya coach juga ya. Iya. Balat niya sing non bosa.
Gay bayan ni enta sambul itu kan tampang na mobile phone Students kids are used to watching movies in English.
In English.
Kaya ngunsal serangan nonton maru ay matabi talano nga baka biti.
Betul ira.
Baka na koro.
Ira ki tombo singa kurni buli. Pota kira non rasasya mo juga na mo na libali. Nabi ka beliskan ta. Satu serangan nabi talo yang bisi ketua dosa. Okay, this morning.
Okay.
We are kota kemain non tu bitalo ko dems. Na mo pa madal ta kaman nan bimbi reda. Nam bulan itoso
Right.
Weekend na itoki. Na kailo richingo. Nintua satoso. Gay chiko taleso. Meron na gayon dali wasela kamata ka na nangonea.
Tatao
nitoso. Sa guli pinaka gay kinda talanga. Sa dami no nang gabobok. Sa tukul may, oy, kongko reka. Se, bakal lebih curang ngauni taka songo,
Right.
The songos that's been going around.
Yes.
The Canada las dems.
Eating wrongly.
Iyo. Nakakana, sa tambori uchi main keme isoli. Keme papuno chuna lenga.
We saw one photo last week.
Iyo.
There is a polmol, the dalo, the grog, the fish.
Iyo.
Baka endo na usa na todo ko, moli roka endo na usa na todo ko.
Right.
Nindu na kaka na metameta kinando na puno todo ko baka menon na kanita limbeka. Iyo.
Iyo.
They saw in the sea.
Yes.
Baka endo le bangkara kuko
Oi.
Iyo, matasa ko rin matasa ay mbuto kakina. So eating wrongly.
Yes.
Some of us we have to lift one another.
Yes.
When someone is in education, he got a grade in his head. He's got a new vehicle.
Yes.
He got things to plan in prosper to gain profit and gains life and to make the community
better.
Sound. Meron ko na politiko. Sound provo ko rami.
Iya.
So there is some people to they are there to stop us.
Right.
They are like a hump in our life.
Jealousy. Spirit of jealousy.
Spirit of sometimes we just eat.
Yes.
We come back, our esophagus pain.
Yeah.
We take it to the hospital, nothing happened.
Yes, true.
We take it to the masu-masu, donan leka.
Right. Yeah, interesting.
What's on ill?
Yeah. I show you there is one, all this coming there, give you this food, or I give you this drink.
Yes.
As soon as you drink, there is a snake.
Yeah.
There is a snake wrapped around your neck.
Yeah.
Okay,
That goes and stop your dream.
And them say, I
Yes.
usually ask myself, what is the reason for this? What we make it for us pigeon?
True.
Yeah? We say that we are church goers.
Yes.
We are Christians. We love. We are the most loveliest person in the whole world. Ngai chukupiki anda sona matangalialo. If imbasi seranga batakina rai richumikina. Oira erredikenda in the tamata vinaka. I may be talking to you nicely now.
Yes.
And as you leave this room,
Right.
Yes.
I step you at the back.
Yes.
But what's the reason?
True.
Why are we like that?
Yeah.
Ano itu weekend na matani ko.
Right.
Donga sa toso. Bu, buku sobra kena ngona. Mo sudah nagaba
It's like we are wearing a mask, and the sad thing is, it's coming from our own, relatives. Most of the bad-hearted people that are trying to pull us back are our own relatives.
Dinasar.
Right.
Dinasar.
Tamay se me para mayan rabinaka sabi na da wanga na loto rabola da motokana ranandi rakambu jay to say emberei and also kusima uchilda as to Canada la jengera. Gambula minaka may nabinu kusene.
Iya, setelah kami kan Santa Kusima,
Yes.
Santa Sega tunikila na tameta kaba sa leti rawi ko wala tunga na kaya sikila di sajukin na len.
Yes.
Right.
Be careful this festive season.
Ah.
What you eat and what you drink.
Just like those people, those oldies, they form in a community na songo-songo di Turanga.
Right.
They leave their place, they go and doing one farming.
Iyo.
Atulidada and dotan letitei.
Right.
When they going there, when they come back, they never plan.
Iyo.
They go like the bed. Do like a kokena.
Iyo.
Right.
But when they go kokena, some of them they just bring cassava.
Yeah.
Some of them bring tuna.
Right.
Some of them bring ruro.
Right.
They just go with their. When they come back to sit on the house,
Yeah.
there's two oldies standing there.
Right.
They provide the lunch.
Oi.
Yeah. But these two oldies, they are like saron daw
Kira kasama tagi siko.
daw kasami tagiti ko ni orang daw nakapatong na nakakamutung-butong ko.
Right.
They doing the dancing moon.
Okay. One is saying kim to monole mo takam siko nakatago.
O they tuko na mengur. Yeah.
Iya.
Don't lie.
Iya.
So
Sa toso siko kita siko na
Yes.
go.
yeah. So when they go,
Iya.
when these two, there's another oldies there. O kaya kami tuturangan daw rere.
Yeah.
He's afraid.
Okay.
So when he was there,
Iya.
there's one pastor,
Yes.
one Afrida,
Yeah.
and another members of the men's giving. So dituranga.
Right.
So they stay there, and the kuka said, the kuka ko Ronald Rua ko
Right.
Rua kasa mitagitiko.
Iya.
Sangay taro ndo berto. How come they provide us with food? We
Yes.
never talk. Gay bango turangan itala-tala.
Iko kinda nga.
Just eat nga.
Iya.
Ringa nasa ni positive.
Yes.
Nasa ni positive that they provide this
Right.
vekawitaki.
Yeah.
Iya.
Ko turangan rere ko hasin tu ni boss.
Iya.
So when the food is served, even though tala-tala is there,
Yes.
but the one who is afraid,
Yeah.
ko baka may ngase to kabi ko, and he sit on top.
Iya. Right.
So when the food first serve,
Iya.
when the first serve arrive, he take the first serve to tala-tala. Tala-tala,
Iya.
never no, he pass to the afraid.
Iya.
Afraid no, he
Yeah.
give to tala-tala.
Iya.
And tala-tala don't want to eat that one.
Yeah.
He give to the kuka,
Iya.
kuka's grandson.
Oh.
Iya.
Here, you take it. And the kuka like this. Hey!
Iya.
Don't give him!
Yeah.
He already eat!
Yeah.
Hey! Right now! Go there!
Yeah.
You already eat! Sabak kaya kindo!
So take the bit of Iya.
Well, tala-tala.
Iya.
The Afrida is like
Iya.
to hype pa may.
Iya.
Sabak kaya tumbur ko anto nalo, sabak kaya
So
mikinda.
he knows that what he's thinking is true.
Yes.
Iya.
And the kuka said, okay, let us pray.
Yeah.
Aung gay kira turangan ay tala-tala.
Iya.
Raw mantan nindo mantan na numumaso.
Yeah.
Maso like kina pasingaliw. And the tala-tala, when the tala-tala pray, kikila tala robita bali ni bataki kwarere. Sakila to ko Afrida. Rere. Sangkai masuk ko sangkai sini masu ni kana nomol masu ni kana. Turangan ni bosa pa kalong atar kakanggo kanin bulak kineang. And tala gay masu. Ko masu ngabango. Iya. Ningai vaka saba takana kakanongo. Ningai rongo tangao.
Akila ko sabi ko.
Bisa masu ningai vaka saba takila ko antora kantu ka. Ningai takana emen sara musunan to witumba. Tuno ka usa sini kana. Ang kale masih na koro.
Sometimes it's good to be unafraid.
Ako ka bilang boleh mo tarana wai.
If you are afraid, you live longer.
Yes.
Artara staff di Piwa Ocean Lika Shopping Matin Tarnandia ya na kanisi David wata ke tesoro na bale usara tevi ta David ka di buliman mata di kuwa o sebo ni banube dere berbudi nang itu saya binaka
asa
era mata di kami boleh
kami kitu lolumbunga wabu ibe komba mau ibango
oi ne berbudi nang duar binaka
Stephanie Brown Joshua
iyo how come the guy from Singapore never on this morning?
Maybe he coming.
Maybe he's sick.
Maybe he's sick. Yes. John Kumar, where are you today this morning?
Denga ba tapi matitaki. Tamay Sera, Mesu, tamay Semi. Oh, tabulo man tamambua, ambola rea bundi de unggoy.
MJT ano binaka?
Your best friend, your worst meda.
Right, true. Truth.
Sana-sana nanronga.
Ano binaka?
Imburek style lebu. Lasaro turanga. Dombula. Stephanie Brown.
Oh, lagi ni sama kinto bugo Stephanie.
Iya.
Ano binaka? Bila Mindriu, karto the boys pa ni binaka John. Joshua, ano binaka?
Tamay Joshi. Ano binaka sani ilikimi ko bandinan dinataka. Laura Sabay, Luala Laheri, sabi na ko binabalu. Ang total ito na sini karabitabe. Nabaliw. Kalau ngata, paano ni binaka?